Welcome to Learning and Earning World. We are saying this is while learning itself, you can also earn. This is one new way of approach, and this is being done by powered by Aryan Infotech. They are giving us an app called as WeCare app. Okay, and this Aryan Infotech company is not a new company or yesterday's or today's company. It is since 15 years developing the banking software for cooperative banks and NBFC banks. Since 15 years, they are maintaining them and giving them the service, and even maintaining the ATMs of all these banks across the country. And this company is founded by Virendra Babu. And Sir, Virendra Babuji is a person who started doing business since 25 years. He started one by one companies, and it is a V group we call today, a Samsthanam. Lot of companies are there. Let us just understand about the group now. Here, the Aryan Infotech is an IT solution company, and they are giving us the WeCare online learning app, which is called as also a mobile university. They also have one organization which is called as Karnataka Rakshana Pade in Karnataka. Here, this Karnataka Rakshana Pade is a service-oriented organization. People like you and me who are interested doing public service for the poor people, once you have one group with you, they will be giving you some post in that Karnataka Rakshana Pade, and you can start doing social service to the poor people. So here you don't need to spend 1 paisa also. The membership in this is also free, and it is not a roll call company or anything like that organization. So Karnataka Rakshana Pade will get the funds from ANN Charitable Trust. ANN Charitable Trust is a charitable trust of this group only. They get the money from all the group of companies of this V group, where some percentage of profit is being donated as a social responsibility, and then from there it will be coming to us. So we will spend the money given by the charitable trust, not our own money or anything. Okay, only service is required. Like that, they have V News Canada 24 Canada. Within 1 or 2 years, minimum 1 to 2 years, they'll be going to have all languages channels across the country, at around 20 languages. Okay, and they're also coming up with a WeCare cabs. WeCare cabs is a very uniquely they have done. See, as you all know that Ola and Uber cabs you see in the cities only, but here WeCare cabs, they are starting from the remotest village to the state capital. Okay, that means there will be lot of mobility in all the places. Wherever you go, you can get the WeCare cabs, and employment also increases. Okay, and here what happens is this particular cabs also, the WeCare cabs online, WeCare online learning app, and they are also coming up with the V Cinema OTT platform, V Pay just like your Google Pay, and V Cart just like Big Basket, and all these things are getting launched on 29th this month. We are in the pre-launch, and they have their own real estate company. They have their own construction company. They have their resort in Dodballapur hotel, and even Mr. Virendra Babuji is the director in a couple of cooperative banks. So why I give you this all information is this group is a very strong group with cash rich as well as self-reliant and debt-free companies. Okay, here the company is very strong, and they are coming up with this project, that is WeCare online learning app. Let us know what they are giving. From LKG to 10th standard, CBSE, ICSE state syllabuses. In state, you will have English and Kannada medium, correct? Both the mediums, and ICSE, CBSE syllabus, both syllabus, all the 3 syllabuses. LKG to 10th, all subjects. Whereas other platforms, you know, in the country, you have only 2 subjects. They give 4 subjects, that is science and maths. And from 6th to 10th only they give that 2 live classes. Here, all classes are recorded classes. You can see as many times as you want. From LKG to 10th, CBSE, ICSE, in state syllabus, English and Kannada medium, all subjects. 11th and 12th is said in CBSE and ICSE, PUC first year and second year in state syllabus. All subjects, all groups, both mediums. Okay, all degrees, both mediums, all degrees. KPSC, APSC, TSC, UPSC, IAS, IRS, CET, MSET, NEET, IIT, banking exam, all these exams will be classes will be there, tuition classes for all these classes. This is called as academics, correct? All of us who are here, we have finished our studies, so academics are not required to us. Maybe our children, next generation, in our home, some students are there, we may use for that. But for us also, they have given non-academic classes. This is the first time in the world, this is only one app, you have both academics and non-academics at one place. Even we can also use this WeCare, any age group, like sports and games, yoga, karate, all types of dance classes, aerobics, gym and bodybuilding, astrology, numerology, music, Carnatic and Hindustani, light music, as well as cine music. All these classes will be there. For skill development, electronics, computer repair, mobile repair, watch repair, those classes are also going to be there. Acting, anchoring, script writing, cooking, fashion designing, beautician classes, and they are also not leaving the rural side. That is the 70% of the country today lives on agriculture, correct? Farmers. For them also they are doing fantastic classes, like trying to give them the information which crop is good for their soil and which fertilizers or pesticides are good for that particular crop, and what type of government schemes are there for the farmers, and even after the crop is ready for sale, where they'll be getting the best market. Like this, all fantastic work they are doing in agriculture also. Foreign languages. In foreign languages, as on today, till date, like French or Germany, Arabic, all these languages are being taught from English, correct? If you know English only, you can learn French. From there only they'll teach. All India Institute of Foreign Languages in the institute. Whereas here they have done a unique way. What they're doing is, from your mother tongue, you can learn foreign languages. From Kannada, you can learn French. From Kannada, you can learn Arabic. Like that, they are giving the classes. And here now, we are going to start very shortly from Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, and Kannada to Arabic classes. Okay. And here, they have already uploaded from Kannada to English classes, already uploaded, and Tamil to English they are uploading one by one, and remaining Telugu and Malayalam also are shooting is going on. Very shortly the complete classes will be uploaded. Here what happens, you see, the quality, they are competing with the top one company which are giving this type of classes in the country. Okay, I don't need to tell the name, you will be able to easily guess it. Okay, and here they are giving the best quality, and let us know what are the how they are priced. LKG, UKG, first standard, 720 rupees. 720 rupees for what? For complete 1 year. All subjects, both the mediums and all the 3 syllabuses. That means per day it is 2 rupees. That means if you take 6 subjects as for every class, it will be 33 paisa per day. Why this was being given like this is, Mr. Viren Babu's vision was, in villages, people go in farming labor, farming laborers, they get around 350 rupees per day. Even they should be able to afford a quality education for their children, isn't it? So here, this particular fee structure, they have kept 1440 for second, third, fourth standards, fifth, sixth, seventh standards, 2160, that is 6 rupees per day, 8th, 9th, 10th, 2880, that is 8 rupees per day. First PUC and second PUC, even 11th and 12th, CBSE and ICSE, all subjects, both mediums and all groups also, 3600, that is 10 rupees per day. And all other packages is a combo of non-academic classes, 5400, that is 50 rupees per day. When you add up from 720 to 5400, it will be 34,000 rupees. That is the company package. Okay, just remember that. I'll tell you later. Here, when other platforms, they are charging around 50,000, 60,000 for 2 subjects like that. Why they are charging high and why these people are charging less? Let me give a small explanation for that. Those people who are charging very high, they have to they spend a lot on branding. They spend a lot of advertisement. They spend on marketing. So all those charges is been borne by the customer only, end of the day, isn't it? Here, these people are not at all doing that. They are giving the best quality. The top #1 company platform, which is giving a whatever quality, they are giving the same quality and even better than them. So then the quality is the same, but rate wise they have reduced it because they have their own software company, they have their own studios, and everything is their own. They don't need to pay somebody else and get it done. Here everything they are able to do. Only the teachers have to come and give the classes and go. Correct. Here these people also want to go market this, and this app should be reached to everyone. Correct. For that purpose, they have made a very good arrangement, and they are not giving any advertisements or anything. Okay. What they did is they have Aryan Infotech has taken up the WeCare app through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not new here. It has been invented thousands of years back by Sri Manu Maharshi, and he has written in Sanskrit that Anubandha Vyapar, Anubandha Vyavahar, Anubandha Vikraya. Here, what this our company has done, Aryan Infotech, is they have inserted a butterfly system in this affiliate marketing. That's all, friends. Here, affiliate marketing is not it's invented by us, but never used by in our country. But in America, European countries, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, Malaysia, all these countries, they are using since 45 years. And for your surprise, Amazon gets maximum business, more than 80% business through affiliate marketing only. Today in India, Flipkart has started since 2020 COVID, the lockdown. They have started it in a big way. And here, they have started the affiliate marketing in India. Like they, even Tata Clicks and Myntra Fashions, everyone are doing the affiliate marketing only. So here, Aryan Infotech introducing this WeCare through the affiliate marketing, inserting a fantastic butterfly system in it. Just let us understand what it is all about. Okay, here you can, what company says is, Aryan Infotech says, you please become our subscriber. You become our subscriber so that you will be able to take our classes. Here, two types of people will come into this arena. First one is they want only classes. They will take the classes. They become the subscribe to the classes and take the classes. They are happy. There's no problem. Even that is okay. Second thing is people like me who want to make a very good income. Here there's a huge income potential in this. So people who want to make money also, they can also come here. Here the company package is 34,000 plus 6,120 is the GST, 40,120 is the package. But everybody doesn't have that sort of money because of this pandemic is already ruined all our, what you can say, our planning and our system, everything is being shattered, like, isn't it? But everybody will not be having. So what you can do is you can start with 500 rupees also. 500 plus 90 GST, that is 590. And you can visualize one class and you can just see that subscribe to one class per month, 450 rupees. Spoken English, Mehendi, like that, so many are there, Abacus. Any class you can take it up, and once you like the quality, you can upgrade yourself to the bigger package. And the company is also giving on loan facility for the 34,000. That will be explained to you by the person who has invited you. Even you can go to the premium package. Okay, what is the benefits? How you will get through this? Okay, now one is you. Once you subscribe yourself, company gives you a inborn power to you that you can have the affiliate franchisee. You can affiliate franchisee of others, whomever you know or whoever is required. You can just tell them about that, because we do this affiliation whole the life, from morning till evening. Whichever we like, we tell to our neighbors, we tell to our friends, relatives, isn't it? Our colleagues. Like that, once you have seen this, the quality is good, rates are very less, 70 to 80% less than the market, and they are giving recorded classes. The children can, anyone can see those classes n number of times and learn very fast. So this way, when you see all these advantages, you can tell to anybody. Say, for example, Avinash A, you have affiliated. See here, there is no hard and fast rule that you have to affiliate. As I said, you can just become a subscriber, attend the classes, be happy with that, fantastic, no issue. If you want to affiliate only one and say no problem. If you want to affiliate 100 and say no problem. There is no limit, and it's not the plan actually. This is an example which we are giving you how the money is distributed. Here, when you are in the level 1, that is you have invited Avinash, and he also takes the subscription. Now I have taken an example of 34,000 package. Okay, 34,000 package. Once you take and once you invite Mr. Avinash, and he has also taken 34,000 package. It is an example. Okay, once you affiliate franchise Mr. Avinash, you will be getting 20%, that is 6,800 to you directly, and company gets how much? Only 6,800. See here also again one more record. This is the only company in the whole globe who gives you 80% back to the customers. What they are saying is, since we are not spending on any advertisement or anything, let us give back to the customers, the subscribers who are bringing us the new subscribers to us. So that way they are giving it back to us only. Here 6,800 you get, company gets 6,800. Remaining 60%, that is 3 times 6,800, goes to 2, 3, 4. Who are they? Your seniors. 2 has affiliated 1, that is you. 3 has affiliated 2. 4 has affiliated 3, isn't it? Like that. These 3 people will get 6,800. Now you have affiliated Bhanu Prakash B. Then what happens? You will get whomever you directly recommend. You will be getting 6,800, 20%. That is 20%, 20%. You will be getting it. Okay. And here, when you bring Bhanu Prakash and he becomes your franchisee, affiliate franchisee, then immediately you will get 6,800. Company gets 6,800, and now 5th, 6th, 7th level persons only will get, not these 2, 3, 4 and above. None of them will get. Okay, don't get confused. This is not a network marketing. In affiliate marketing, butterfly system it is. Here it is jumping, from 3 levels, it is jumping and giving them. I'll tell you why it is afterwards. Okay, once you say, for example, C, that is Chetan Kumar, you have affiliated, immediately you will get 6,800, and now company also gets 6,800, and now 8, 9, 10 will get. No other people will get in the whole team. Again, when you bring the Dayanand as an affiliate franchisee, you will get your 6,800, company gets it, and now 11, 12, 13 people only will be getting it. 11, 12, 13. And all the other down here, none of them will get anything. Is that one ID? Okay. Here again, when you bring Ishwar as your affiliate franchisee, you will get 6,800. Company gets 6,800. Again, your immediate affiliate sponsor 2, 3, 4, they will be getting 6,800. When you go for EF again, Fahim, you bring him, you affiliate him, you will get 6,800. Company gets 6,800. Again, 5, 6, 7 will be getting. Okay, I hope now you understood. This way it is jumping. With this an advantage is you will be getting a huge income every day. There is no ceiling in this. 15, 20 days back, Govinda Gowda ji, a farmer from Mandia, he took 34 lakhs in one day. And some people, every day, even today, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, like that they are taking. There is no ceiling limit for your income on daily basis also. The reason is butterfly system. Because someone, somewhere, somehow doing something, some business is happening, you will be getting that income. Here, the thing is, there is no hard and fast rule. There is no time limit. There is no targets. Okay. Here it is up to you how fast you want to go ahead. Okay. One more thing is, they are also giving royalty income. This royalty income is only for the people who are in the premium package. You can join, you can take up the 500 package also. You can take 1,500 package also. It is up to you. This decision is left to you. But if you are in 40,120 package, then once you are eligible for executive club, you will be getting around 10 to 15,000 rupees per month for your rest of your life, even if you don't do anything. How is it possible? Company does the business everywhere. Is it 1 month you may do business, you may not do, you may get business or you may not get. But company will be getting business from all the other families like you and me whole across the country, because it is launching across the country. 138 crore people, someone somewhere somehow will be doing it. Correct? That in that business, company takes out 25% of their profit and gives 5% to all these 5 clubs. How many of people are being eligible there? It will be divided by and giving it to them. Okay. Here, Managers Club. I am already eligible for Managers Club. From September onwards, I will be getting around 25 to 30,000 rupees per month. Even if I do nothing also, if I don't even show the presentation like this and do work also, I'll be getting. Next, General Managers Club. Next, Directors Club. Next, Chairman's Club. In Chairman's Club, you will be getting not less than 1 to 1.5 lakh. After all the calculations, I'm telling you the truth. In company plan and presentations in the morning at 11:30, they don't tell this because we tell more, and if you don't get, you will feel bad. Nothing to worry. This whatever amounts I'm telling you, after 6 months, it is the sure shot. Okay. And here, not only this income, they are also giving for Executives Club, they will give 10,000 rupees worth gold. Managers Club, they give 30,000 worth tab. General Managers Club, 50,000 bike fund. Directors Club, 4 lakhs worth Swift car, top end car. Chairman's Club, Innova car. Till now, 36 people have been eligible, become eligible for the cars, and 34 people are already given. 2 people are waiting. This week they are giving it up. One is my senior who has affiliated with Mr. Ravi Tejas, and here they are giving second-hand car, what you call as a used car, they say, from the used car market. Very sparingly used, less used cars, top-end model, and fully loaded cars only they are giving. It will be registered in your name. Okay. Other companies, what they do, car eligibility means they'll pay the down payment and they will just give it to you. You have to pay the EMIs. Here, there is no tension about it. Only thing is you have to put diesel or petrol and just use your car. Okay. With this, I am done. Thank you very much for being with me for learning and earning. Believing you should, if you believe you can achieve. And now I will